The DJI Neo 2 has finally arrived, creating massive buzz across China, where drone enthusiasts are already filling social media with jaw-dropping aerial footage and early reviews. From sleek design changes to a host of smart upgrades, it's clear that DJI is raising the bar once again. Yet, while excitement soars in its home market, international fans find themselves watching from the sidelines. The global rollout is anything but typical. China got it first, followed by a slow, region-by-region release that's left much of the world waiting. Europe is next in line, with an official launch date set for November 13th. Retailers in Germany, France, and the UK are already gearing up, preparing to stock their shelves with DJI's latest mini marvel. Shipments have begun leaving DJI's warehouses with Neo 2 labels, confirming that Europe is about to join the action. Meanwhile, in the United States, things are far more complicated. Trade regulations and pending FCC certification have created a delay, meaning DJI cannot legally sell or even activate the Neo 2 in the US just yet. Some eager fans might try importing units privately, but activation locks through the DJI Fly app could prevent them from taking off altogether, a major frustration for early adopters. Despite these hurdles, the Neo 2 itself is turning heads for all the right reasons. DJI has completely reworked the drone's power system with a new smart battery that offers slightly higher capacity, better performance in cold weather, and faster energy delivery. The downside? The redesigned connector makes it incompatible with the original Neo, which may disappoint those who invested in extra batteries and accessories. Even so, the new battery extends flight time by about a minute, provides more consistent power output, and charges more efficiently. For creators and travelers, those small boosts can make a real difference in the field. Visually, the Neo 2 is a delight. DJI refined its aerodynamics with widened propellers featuring curved tips to minimize noise and enhance stability mid-flight. The gimbal also sees a substantial improvement from a single-axis setup to a two-axis system. Combined with smart electronic stabilization, this change delivers buttery smooth 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, with sharper detail, more natural exposure handling, and vivid colors. The results rival even DJI's higher-end Mini 4 Pro in quality, which is impressive given the Neo 2's compact form. Price-wise, DJI seems determined to keep the Neo 2 accessible, with a Chinese launch price around $249 and an expected international range between $250 and $279. It's positioned as an affordable yet powerful option for beginners and casual content creators. It's not just a small upgrade, it's a confident step forward that redefines what an entry-level drone can do. When comparing the Neo 2 to its predecessor, the differences are immediately noticeable. Both share the same compact DNA, but the Neo 2 has gained a touch of sophistication. Weighing just 151 grams, only 6 grams more than the original, it still stays well under most registration limits. The build quality feels more premium, with better materials and a sleeker finish that gives it a professional vibe. While the original Neo was aimed squarely at beginners, the Neo 2 bridges the gap between casual users and aspiring creators who want cinematic results without complexity. The biggest leap forward lies in the camera. The first DJI Neo featured a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 12 megapixel stills and 4K video at 30 frames per second. It was solid for hobby use, but the Neo 2 brings a major upgrade with a larger 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same size found in some of DJI's higher-end drones. The result is stunning cleaner images, better dynamic range, and vastly improved low-light performance. The Neo 2 can shoot 4K at 60 FPS and even up to 100 FPS for cinematic slow motion, something unheard of for a drone this small. DJI also reworked its image processing pipeline, producing footage that looks richer and more vibrant straight out of the camera, with deeper contrast and more accurate colors. The gimbal system has been re-engineered as well. While the original relied solely on a mechanical 3-axis system for stability, the Neo 2 combines its 2-axis mechanical gimbal with advanced electronic stabilization to achieve similarly smooth results, even in light wind conditions. The footage looks steady, natural, and professional, ideal for social media creators or vloggers who want top-tier shots without bulky gear. DJI also loaded the Neo 2 with smarter flight intelligence. It now supports the full Focus Track suite, including Active Track, Spotlight, and Point of Interest. This means the drone can automatically detect, follow, and frame moving subjects like cyclists, runners, or vehicles with surprising precision. It even introduces new creative shooting modes such as master shots, dolly zoom, and selfie shot features that used to be reserved for DJI's flagship models. In comparison, the original Neo's quick shots were far more basic, offering simple flight patterns like drone, circle, rocket, and helix without subject tracking or cinematic transitions. Safety has received a huge upgrade, too. The Neo 2 comes equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, giving pilots far more confidence when flying through complex environments. The original model relied only on downward sensors, limiting its awareness to what was directly below. Now, the Neo 2 can automatically avoid obstacles, reroute its flight path, or perform emergency stops when needed. It also incorporates DJI's enhanced return-to-home system, GPS stabilization, and a new beginner mode with customizable safety limits, ensuring new pilots can learn without fear of costly mistakes. Performance-wise, the Neo 2 is faster, more stable, and more responsive. It can reach speeds of up to 43 km/h and handle light winds with ease thanks to refined aerodynamics and stronger propulsion. Flight time averages around 19 minutes, just 1 minute less than the original Neo, but with significantly improved control and power delivery. The new DJI for transmission system is another standout improvement, extending the control range to 10 km compared to the Neo's 4 km. This system also provides a low-latency HD live feed, ensuring a crisp, real-time view even at long distances, and it uses dual-band Wi-Fi for more reliable connections. Battery performance takes another leap forward. The Neo 2's 1606 mAh lithium-ion battery now supports faster USB-C charging, reaching a full charge in about 45 to 50 minutes. And like the non-removable battery of the original Neo, this one is fully detachable, making it easy for travelers or filmmakers to swap batteries and keep shooting all day. It's a simple but highly practical change that makes the drone far more versatile for real-world use. Connectivity has also been enhanced. Both drones use the DJI Fly app, but the Neo 2 adds built-in storage 49 GB of internal memory so you can keep recording even without an SD card. The app integration feels smoother and more responsive, giving users more control over settings, tracking, and flight data. As for pricing tiers, DJI continues its familiar approach. The Neo 2 Fly Solo package starts at $259, offering the basic drone and essential accessories. The Fly More combo, including extra batteries and additional gear, costs $429. For those seeking the most immersive experience, the Motion Fly combo comes bundled with DJI Goggles 3 and a motion controller for $599. These bundles provide flexibility depending on how deep you want to dive into aerial creativity. The original Neo lineup, by comparison, ranged from $199 to $418 depending on configuration, making the Neo 2 a slightly pricier but far more capable upgrade. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 is not just a refresh, it's a reinvention. Smarter, stronger, and more cinematic, it pushes the boundaries of what a mini drone can achieve. From its advanced camera system and improved flight stability to intelligent tracking and safety upgrades, every aspect feels more refined and intentional. It's designed for anyone who wants to capture the world from above with style and simplicity, whether you're a complete beginner or a creator looking to up your content game. Once DJI's global rollout smooths out, the Neo 2 could easily become one of the most beloved compact drones on the market. It offers the fun, freedom, and reliability DJI is known for, while adding enough innovation to make even seasoned pilots take notice. The only question left is, will you wait for the official release, or find a way to get your hands on it early? Either way, the Neo 2 is shaping up to be DJI's most exciting small drone yet, perfectly blending ease of use with professional performance.